In the dense rainforests of Madagascar lives the ii, a nocturnal lemur with a truly unique look. With its large eyes and elongated middle finger, this strange creature has inspired both wonder and fear. The ii uses its specialized finger to tap on trees, listening for the sound of grubs hiding beneath the bark. Once located, it deftly extracts them, showcasing a remarkable feeding technique. Unfortunately, legends portray this odd animal as a bad omen, leading to its unjust persecution. Despite its peculiar reputation, the ii plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, reminding us that even the strangest animals deserve our protection. Join us as we uncover more about this fascinating creature and the myths that surround it.